are there subsidized, and also are there lobbies or other pressure organizations that push, so there are laws that stop other laws that could be more beneficial for health and environment, or push so the dose is still higher than what the medical community would recommend. And also, though that pressure would be removed, would the difference between organic and conventional be just smaller, because the conventional farmers just don't have that help?
Okay, so I guess part of my hesitation is now, because you were talking about the tolerances, and the tolerances are set by the EPA, and most of the farm policy goes through the Farm Bill in USDA. So, I mean, the Farm Bill is just this giant beast with its own life, and it has all of these different pieces, and I think the organic farmers feel left out of the Farm Bill. Like, there aren't enough policies that apply to them, and you can see it with arguments over how do you get crop insurance if you're an organic farmer. You know, what price do you have to pay for your insurance? And then if your crop fails, are you going to get compensated for the organic loss or a conventional loss? So, I mean, I don't think that the policy field is level for organic on the production side, but I don't know how that might relate to the EPA and the tolerances. I don't know whether you have some insights into.
Well, to answer your question, unfortunately, that we are in this industrialized agricultural model. So using pesticide is a must. It's not like you have a bug damage in this corner of your land and you treat it with some pesticide. No. The calendar say by Monday you have to spray pesticide, and you spray, regardless whether you have a damage or not on your crop. So that's one thing that we definitely have to change. And the other thing that we definitely have to change is because we are moving toward this almost completely genetic modified agriculture. As I mentioned, that by design, pesticide is part of the genetic modified agriculture. So how are we gonna spin off this genetic modified agriculture? I think also have to rely on the Farm Bill, because the Farm Bill was written by a group of people that has a huge financial interest in genetic modified industry. So until the day that we rewrite our Farm Bill in which to encourage younger generation who want to farm better, healthier, and sustainable, but have no access to Farm Bill because you are not part of cohort, that you operate this gigantic machinery on 4,000, 5,000 land. You are being shut off from the Farm Bills. We have to change from the Farm Bill fundamentally, and that's why every year when the Farm Bill is up for renew, it's such a huge debate, because the discussion of the modern agriculture in terms of sustainable local agriculture, in terms of those organic agriculture. And as of today, I think the organic or sustainable agriculture still represent a very small fraction of agriculture in this country, very small.